Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be covering applications on the cloud and also I will explain features of cloud applications. Guys, I have uploaded complete cloud computing subject tutorials. I will provide that link in description. You can watch from there. If you are watching this video for the first time, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. At first, I will explain applications on the cloud. Guys, we will use computer in order to run applications. For example, if you consider MS Office, Calculator, Photoshop, all these are applications in computer. Applications are nothing but softwares. So without applications, there is no use of computer. So applications are what make a computer useful. Over time, different types of applications have been developed. Guys, at present there are so many applications developed. Mainly there are two types of applications. One is standalone applications and second one is web applications. I will explain each of them. Guys, standalone applications are the applications that do not depend on internet to work. For example, if you consider calculator software, in order to use calculator software in our computer, there is no need of internet. Just we can install calculator and we can use. Not only calculator, for example, if you consider MS Office Paint, in order to use these applications, there is no need of internet. So all these are examples of standalone applications. Standalone applications run on a single computer and do not need a network to work. That is nothing but without internet these applications will work. They use only the resources of the machine they are installed on. That is nothing but our computer contains some drivers. Based on the drivers, our software will work. These applications are independent and do not need data or processing power from other systems. Guys, some computers will depend on other systems to run applications. But standalone applications run on a single computer without depending on other computers. Example, a basic calculator app installed on your computer. Second one is web applications. Guys, at present, user needs are very high. At present, so many different kinds of applications are created and many people are using that applications in internet. So applications which are accessed by using internet, we call that applications as web applications. And these web applications work based on client server model. Guys, applications are present in company server and users will access this application by using internet. And we call these users as clients. So server is a powerful machine where the web applications is installed and clients are the users who connects to server by using their devices using internet. One popular web application is Facebook. For example, if you consider Facebook, Facebook is installed in Facebook company server and many users will use Facebook by using internet from their devices. Guys, web applications are very popular, but they have some limitations. And the first one is not elastic. Guys, if too many people are using web application at the same time, like using Facebook at the same time, then that web application slow down or stop working because web applications cannot handle extra pressure. So web applications are not elastic. Second one is not multi-tenant. Guys, multiple users cannot use web application by using single device. So each user needs separate computer and he need to install web application software in that computer. For example, in order to use Facebook application, I need separate computer and I need to install Facebook application in that computer. So web applications are not multi-tenant. Third limitation is couldn't measure services from users. Guys, for some web applications, you need to pay money. Even though if you use or don't use that application, you need to pay money. And fourth one is worked on only one specific platform. Guys, some applications will work in one platform and will not work in other platforms. For example, one web application will work in Windows, but it will not work in Linux or Mac. Fifth limitation is didn't offer flexibility like pay as you go options. Guys, for some web applications, even though if you use or don't use that application, you need to pay complete money. So users had to pay for full service even if they didn't use it much. Guys, in order to overcome problems of web applications, cloud applications were introduced. So cloud applications are similar to web applications, but they are designed to overcome the limitations of traditional web applications. That is nothing but in order to overcome problems of web applications, cloud applications were introduced. We can place our software in cloud and we call that service as software as a service. These are features of cloud applications. Guys, for example, if you consider Facebook, Facebook is web application because all people will install Facebook software in their computer and they will use Facebook. and whatever photos and videos they share, the data is stored in Facebook server. Now my company developed same application like Facebook, but instead of placing that application directly in internet, my company will place that application in cloud. So my company will develop one software and my company will place that software in cloud like AWS, Microsoft Azure, etc. Whenever my company places application in cloud, these are advantages. So these are features of cloud applications. And the first one is multi-tenancy. One application can serve many users at the same time. Each user feel like they have their own private version of the app, even though software is shared. Changes made for one user do not affect others. Guys, I will give an example so that you can clearly understand this definition. For example, my company developed one banking application. So whenever my company places application in cloud, single application is used by many people. Even though application is shared among multiple users, that application is like private application. Whenever this person open banking app, he can see only his details, like his bank account number, his amount, his loans, etc. He cannot see remaining people account details. So online banking apps, where many users access the same app, but their accounts and data remain separate. This is example of multi-tenancy. That is nothing but multiple people can use single app at a time and all are independent. And second one is elasticity. Guys, whenever we place application in cloud based on users demand, we can modify cloud. For example, if many people are using our app at the same time, then we can add resources like we can increase servers, we can increase network bandwidth, etc. And if only few people are using our software, then we can decrease resources. So we can change cloud system automatically based on users demand. This is meaning of elasticity. As cloud support elasticity, even though there is high traffic, application performance will be good. And third one is heterogeneous cloud platforms. Guys, whenever user plays application in cloud, users can access that application by using any device and by using any operating system like Windows, Linux, Mac, etc. And fourth one is quantitative measures. Guys, if you consider web applications, even though if you use or don't use that app, you need to pay money. But whereas if you consider cloud applications, how much time we use cloud applications, only for that we need to pay money. Cloud services are measurable. Users are charged based on what they use, how much time they use and what they use, only for that they need to pay money. Same like paying electricity bill and water bill based on what we use. And fifth one is on-demand services. Guys, whenever we want, we can use cloud applications. By using any device, at any time and from anywhere, we can use cloud applications. Just we need internet, that's it. So these are 5 features of cloud applications. In order to overcome problem of standalone applications, web applications were developed. And in order to overcome problem of web applications, cloud applications were introduced.